Hi everyone, it's Mel with the Quilting Room with Mel, and I am just going to give everybody a couple of seconds here real quick to get loaded up. I said I was going to go live at 8 p.m. and it is 8 p.m. on the dot. So for those that don't know, I blog at quiltingroomwithmel.com, where I show you how to decorate your home with quilty goodness, and we also show you how to keep your vintage sewing machines up and running. A few days ago, I think was the last time I shared the video or the photo that brought this in. It was me cutting several strips at once, and people wanted to know how I was doing it and what I was using. And this is what I'm using. It's a Havels fabric and quilt ruler cutter. I had to look at the name. I always call it a combo, and that's not the official name of it. If you have questions, if you're watching and you have questions, be sure to type them in. It is 27.5 inches long, the actual ruler is, but it's only cut for 24. It's like a normal ruler. If you see the solid line here, that's the end of your cutting. You can cut from there to here. It has a knob on, you can close it so that your blade isn't exposed. Open it up when you're ready to cut. The blade is still below this guard until you push down, and then the blade opens up. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use it two different ways. You can use it like a standard ruler. And so I'm cutting 2-inch strips off of this fabric. These are just some scraps I have from QT's fabric. So I have it lined up on the 2-inch mark here. And that's it. I have a 2-inch strip here and whatever was left over here. We'll do one more. Just the normal way. So we did that. Now if I want to cut a bunch of strips, I am limited by my board size down here in my studio. I only have one of the 16 by 22 boards. So I just line my fabric up on the same line on my board. I see 6 people here. Thanks for joining, guys. If you have questions, be sure to comment below and I will get to them. And just like that, I cut 2 strips at once. I know a lot of people stack their fabric. You could do that and cut, multiples like that. I worry about my fabric slipping. Again, this is the Havels or Hobbles Sewing Fabric and Quilt Ruler Cutter. They run, I think they're about $50 on their website. I don't get any kickback. I'm not an affiliate with them. They didn't ask me to do this video. This is a tool we use every time we cut fabric almost, especially yardage. This is what we use to cut it down with. We just really believe in the product, and we get a lot of questions every time we show it. So I just wanted to take a couple of minutes, show you guys how it works. Anybody have any questions? Okay, if not, thanks everyone for tuning in tonight. I will see you next Thursday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time with another demo. If you have any questions, ideas for demos, leave them in the comments below. Have a great night, everyone.